The president of Iran announces he will fight against all terrorism following a weekend attack on a military parade that killed at least 25 people. In Russia, political opposition leader Alexei Navalny is released from jail and then immediately arrested again. He had been jailed for organizing an illegal protest. In Libya, more than 1,000 families have left their homes because of fighting between militias in Tripoli, according to the United Nations Children's Fund. And in Liberia, thousands of protesters are demanding the return of $104 million in missing money meant for the central bank.